Hi, my name is JJ with IMS Printing Signs in Littleton, Colorado. I'm going to do a quick video tutorial on how to apply a decal to a wall. So we have the sample decal here. I like to put two pieces of tape on just as kind of a handle. So in this case it's a circle, so I'll put one on roughly on the left, one on the right side. Get that a little bit centered. And so if you want it under the wall, you can measure it out obviously wherever you need it. This way, if you have the handles, you can take your level, find a center line on the graphic, and then use it as a pivot to bring that up to level. So once you have it level where you want it, we can actually pull down the top part of the circle. We're going to cut away the release liner just using a good sharp pair of scissors. Then with firm pressure, just apply that top part to the wall. Take our tape off. And now you can flip this up, pull the release liner out, give it some good down pressure so it's nice and smooth across there. And then just start working your way down. I like to go across it one more time. And that's it. So now you have your decal on the wall. Thanks for watching.